Welcome to the Sleepy Letterpress channel. If this is your first time here, I am honored to have you here. Everybody else, welcome back. What we try and do each week is use something from my grandfather's letterpress cabinet to produce a project that is thoughtful, thought-provoking, a little silly sometimes. Today's print is in honor of somebody. We aren't actually happy that someone has passed away, but we do want to produce something today in honor of him. Stay tuned and see what in the world I'm talking about. For our project today, I want to do a simple poster. Simple in words, but maybe not necessarily in life. Phil Robertson, the Duck Commander, has died recently, and I want to print this poster in his honor. One of his more famous, yet simple sayings that he had, which was just, happy, happy, happy. I indeed think he is happy, happy, happy now more than ever. But I wanted to do a quick print for this week's project. For someone who has a fair amount of wood type, it is hard to do the same word 3 different times. I don't have actually that much type. So we're going to do 3 different typefaces, varying sizes. Here we go. Okay, there we go. 3 happy, happy, happies. These are the biggest fonts I have. And so we're going to lock it up in the galley. So we're going to need 3 coins, which will help hold it. And then we're going to move it on over to Miss Vanderbilt. Here we go. Why, hello there. Key. We'll take these 3 coins and this key. Okay, we got our type, we got our coins and our key, we got our planer. Now, we just need our furniture. We will get that all set in here, lock it up, then move it over to Miss Vanderbilt. Here we go. No! Did you guys see that? That has happened to me before. Funny. I saw it bowing up and then I guess that happens. It comes with being on this galley tray a little bit and pressing out. Here we go. Take 2. but we're still happy. Okay, here's take two. Now I'm a little nervous about this John Sanders move here, but here we go. Okay. Okay, I thought I'd better record this because it still might blow up. Nope. We're good. Like I said, we're going to print this on some chipboard that has some background color on it. And I'm going with black. I was looking for a shiny black, sort of like Hunt the Good Stuff. It kind of lays on top of the background color nice. So almost dropped that. Shiny black it is. Here we go. Ooh, that is black. Okay, you know the deal. I am not too proud to show this first one to you. That makes me happy. Let's go. As far as background colors go, I've got a little gray, I've got some orange, a little rhodamine red, and because the Duck Commander, Phil Robertson, was a hunter man, also got some green. Gray, orange, green, rhodamine red. I got them all mixed up. Let's print. Let's start with green. Woohoo! That's for you, Phil Robertson, and all you Robertson family. Happy. Rhodamine red. Orange. That was a lot of fun. I know that wasn't quite as complicated as if you've seen Carlene's flower print back here, Flower Power up high, but this was so satisfying. I love having the background colors available. I generally clean off the brayer onto these pieces of chipboard, which then allows me to throw a message on them, and I just love how they turn out. It's interesting to me, this one here with no background color. I am a minimalist, less is best kind of guy, but I gotta admit, I like the color a lot, and I think it's the same thing in life. A little bit of color goes a long way. Now, about Phil Robertson. If you don't know who he is and what he's all about, I'll let you discover that for yourself. I would say his main goal in life wasn't just to be happy, but I would say it was to be holy, and holy by who he pursued. And there's a great movie about him. I think it's called The Blind or something like that. It's a pretty good movie, actually. But this was fun to print in his honor. It is a choice, I think, similar to Hunt the Good Stuff. Choose to be happy, even despite stuff that's happening to you and around you. I had a blast. I hope you did too. We will see you next time.
Ink on my fingers and paper in the air. Old press is rolling like they just don't care. Stacks of newsprint and broken chairs. This old print shop's got stories to share. Hear that click-clack, make a rhythm and a rhyme. Typewriters singing one letter at a time. Rolling drums and beating hearts align. In this print shop we freeze moments in time.